Today we're going to talk about the diversity of crabs that are found along the Oregon coast, and I have Michael and Jessica here with me to look at the different crabs. What I'd like to really show everybody is that these are a very diverse group. They inhabit all sorts of areas, so shallow beach areas, right down to deep ocean floor, sometimes 1,800 feet. So what I'd like to do is, with Michael here, we'll start with some shallow dwelling crabs. And Michael, if you can kind of turn around a little bit and we'll show everybody these crabs. So if you were to go along the beaches where there are sandy bottom, small rocks, you turn over a rock, you would see something like a purple shore crab. And remember, Michael, when we looked at the claws of that purple shore crab, what did you see?
Purple and polka dots.
Purple and polka dots, exactly. And it's holding on right now. There we go. We also had a blue-banded hermit crab, being a little bit shy right now. But it has bright blue bands right on the legs there. So the hermit crabs are going to be very shallow dwelling. And our next crab in a shallow area, this is actually called a porcelain crab. Has a very flattened body so that it can slip under rocks.
Yeah,
exactly, very flattened body, huge claws up front. Great feeding strategy for this animal is to use fine feathery appendages and sweep particles of food out of the water column or off of the rocks.
Good deal. And they don't get very large, do they?
They really don't.
Okay.
No, they really don't. So maybe twice as big as that. As you go a little bit deeper in the ocean, getting into maybe 30, 40, 50 feet deep on a sandy bottom, you could find something like a black-eyed hermit crab, and I'm hoping we can coax this one out. But this is a black-eyed hermit crab, has red and white striping on its body, and as it grows up, it will inhabit larger and larger moon snail shells. So eventually this little hermit crab will actually fit in the shell from a moon snail.
All right.
Found out in sandy flats. Also another animal that will hide very well is a granular claw crab. So very huge granular looking claw, and they will hide in the barnacle shells, empty barnacle shells. As you get a little bit deeper, leaving sandy areas, getting onto a rocky reef area, you would find something like the butterfly crabs.
Oh my gosh, they don't even look like they're from this world.
Exactly. They actually look like shell fragments. So on a rocky reef, they're often found where there are broken shells from bivalves. So you would see just this outer shell, a lot of cryptic coloration to help that animal blend in with its habitat. I'll turn one over just a little bit to show you that most of the body, including that big claw, is all contained right underneath that big butterfly shell on the back.
These all come from the Oregon Coast Aquarium?
All from the Oregon Coast Aquarium.
Show me that. Yeah, I want to see that fancy crab right there. So let's turn around.
All right, so this is the box crab.
Oh my gosh.
We also have a spiny lithoid crab. So these happen to be the favorites for Jessica and Michael.
Wow.
So,
those are beautiful. The
So
box
very
crab, box crab, and what's the other one?
This is actually a heart crab.
A heart crab.
Yeah, that's locked
wow.
onto my finger right now.
Oh! Well, we'll leave you to deal with that. Is your finger turning blue because of that, or? Oh my gosh. What amazing creatures these crabs are. Diversity. The many different kinds of crabs that we have along the Oregon coast. What did you guys think of that? William, did you like that?
Weird and interesting.
Weird and interesting. All right. And Frank, what was your favorite out of those?
That special big one that you said.
That box crab right at the end. Yeah, they have this crazy little hole that they draw water down through to breathe. And Samantha, how about you? What did you like?
I liked the furry-looking one.
The furry-looking one? Yeah, the heart crab, huh?
Yeah.
My goodness, what a neat creature.